Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and this week I'm planning the week of September 14th through the 20th. We're hitting the midway point of September. I have a kit this week. It's a mini kit from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. It's a self-care mini kit. I've had this one for quite a little while, I think, at this point, but just have not gotten around to using. I think I actually forgot I had it for a little while, so I'm pretty excited about making use of this kit this week. Self-care has been something I've been trying to prioritize a little bit more this month, so I'm looking forward to using this kit. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Since this is a mini kit, there are no date covers in this kit, so I'm not going to take any time doing that. I'm just going to jump right on into putting my functional stickers down for the different things I know I have going on this week. And of course, I've got my little vellum sticky note from Rose Colored Days. This is the hollow version, and I'm obsessed with them. Obviously, if you've been watching me for a little while now, I've been using them in almost every single plan with me that I've been doing lately. So anyway, let's get started. Okie dokie, so I've gone ahead and put down, pen caps flying. I went ahead and put down all of my functional boxes so far, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fill these in, and then I will go back and put in some extra functional stuff if I choose to, and then I'll go ahead and pull the full boxes into the spread. Okay, so all of my functional things are in. I went and pulled a few stickers, so I popped out for a few seconds. I went and grabbed, obviously, my tiny text for these three things every single week, this Zoom meeting tiny text, and then this sticker from Ann Laz, who I do have a coupon code for. It's Cynthia 10. It's linked in my video description. It's just like a little Zoom sticker, which I thought was really cute, and the color scheme matches with the color scheme of this kit, so I thought that went perfectly. But I'm gonna go back and put in some of those full boxes now. I had to grab another tiny text because I forgot this was in my album, my Adorably Amy album. So my husband is finally going back to work this week, so after this video is done, I will be going ahead and putting his schedule in here. So that's a new thing that I'm going back to tracking. I used to track in my planner and now I'm back to doing that. So in some ways life is getting not back to normal, but some elements of normalcy are returning. All of that is done now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some washi in here. Before I do that, I think I'm gonna grab, I have some Simply Gilded washi, so probably combine that together. So the last thing I'm going to do is I've got this open sticker here, and I got this Self-Care Isn't Selfish booklet from the This Is Us collaboration with a bunch of different shops that came out a couple months ago, and I want to put something on top of there. I'm just not sure what. I just want to see what's in here. So I'm going to use this It's Okay to Say No sticker on here. And then all of this I will fill in closer to the end of the weekend. And I do have a quote in mind for here, but I want to go back and find it first before I put it in here. So this is what it is looking like. I did go ahead and use the entire sheet of full box stickers. I do have a few of these left, and I made most of the washi work for me, as well as a couple of the checklist stickers. I do still have all of these labels, but I wouldn't use all of them. And then I do have this 1-page black sticker left. So let me grab my agenda and put this in here. Of course, this was last week with the Capital Chic Designs kit, and not much changed in that spread. I do have to go back and fill out my habit trackers. So this is what it is looking like. I have the first part of the week here, and then the next part there. So that is it. This was a quick plan with me. I tried to be efficient in this one. Someone did ask on my last video if I'm planning to do a flip through, and as you can see here, I do plan to publish that on Friday. For videos that are not planned with me, so I'm trying to publish those on Fridays. The time of day may vary depending on what my week is like. It may be either first thing in the morning on Friday or in the evening if I have to edit it on Friday before it actually gets published, but it will be published on Friday. Hopefully the lighting and everything is better by then. We have gotten a lot of rain because of all the storms out in the tropics right now, and it's been, even without the rain, just cloudy literally every single day. I took a screenshot and shared it on my IG stories last week, and I'll probably do it again this week, of just a forecast of cloudy days every single day for the foreseeable future, which is quite miserable in my opinion, especially when you live in a place that's marketed as a sunshine state. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and stop rambling and wrap this video up. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. And to all my long-term viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for coming back every single week. You guys keep me going. I appreciate all of your comments. I've gotten a bunch of new followers recently, so thank you to everybody who's shown up recently. I hope you stick around, and I hope my content is interesting to you as it goes along, and I hope you all have a lovely week. Stay safe, take precautions, wear your mask, wash your hands, do all of that stuff.